doing? We're halfway through the assignment, okay? So you're supposed to remind me of that. Sorry, guys.
Slacking.
Yeah, I'm slacking. Okay. Well, I've only done a couple questions.
Hope that's
Okay,
fair.
so people at home, just you're going to see a repeat here for a second. I forgot to start recording this. People at home, the answer to the very first question, number what was it?
3.
Number 3. The answer was what was it? It was no.
It's not
it-
It's on the board. Yeah, it's no.
Oh, yeah, no, we only done one question. Okay. Yeah, the answer is no to that one because it's not in the shaded region. Question number 5, the answer was also no because it wasn't in the shaded region, okay? Then we got to number 7. That's where we're at right now. My point was this. I was saying this one right here, one of you guys said initially, yeah, it's shaded in. Somebody else said it's right on the line.
But it's not.
Does anybody think it's
We don't
not
know.
in the shaded
We don't
region?
know. We don't know.
What'd you say? You said you don't know.
Yeah.
I purposely did that. I wanted to make sure, let's do this. Put it right there. Is that shaded in or not, or can't you really tell?
Grab a ruler.
Yeah, but if you don't have a ruler, you can't tell. It's kind of hard to tell, okay? So, doing a graph's not the best method because you can't really tell. Pictures are misleading. And I've used this example with my class this year. If I went like this, let's do a geometry problem right here, okay?
Oh, no.
Is that a 90-degree angle?
No.
Yeah.
Why?
Oh.
It is.
Oh, why'd you call it me?
What does that box tell you?
It means it's 90.
Yeah, it's just very, very, very
Small.
poorly drawn, okay? If I went like this, is that 90?
No.
I would say probably not.
'Cause it's not
Is
an
it close to
angle.
90?
It's not an angle.
Huh? Well, it's supposed to be. I mean, it's close to 90, but the chances of me drawing it by hand exactly 90, pretty slim, okay? So what I'm getting at is pictures can be misleading. So there's better ways of doing it than by pictures. So when we look at number 7, they ask us, is the point -5, 2? The answer was no. Number 7. Is -5, 2 the solution to this system? And they give us, it says y is less than 4. And I'm not going to tell you the other one yet, okay? Okay, so we plug in what they tell us. They didn't even give me an x. What's the y value here? It goes x and it goes y.
2.
2. Plug it in. Yes or no? 2 is less than 4. Yes. So is that the solution? The answer is maybe. It's got to be true for both of them. What do we still have to do? The other one, what's the other one? I haven't told you it yet. Y is bigger than x plus 3. So it's true for the first one. Let's see if it's true for the second one.
You gotta plug -5.
Plug -5 in for x and plug in 2 for y. So 2 is bigger than -5 plus 3. 2 is bigger than -5 plus 3 is -2. Yes or no?
Yes.
So is that part of the solution?
Yep.
Yes.
Because it's true for which of them?
All of them.
Both of them, all of them, okay? So yes, that's true. Yes, that's true. So yes, that would be shaded in.
Yes, yes, yes.
If I graphed it, that point would be shaded in, okay? Now, here's the deal. To help save you a little bit of time, there's some problems you don't have to plug it in for both, okay? And here's why. If the first one's yes, we still have to plug it in for the second one. When do you think you don't necessarily have to plug it into the second one? Any guesses?
When they're the same.
Well, yeah, if they were the same. Let me ask you this, okay? If the first one was no, you don't need to do the other one. Why?
It's automatically not.
Right. You got to have both of them yes. If the first one's no, it's going to be no, okay? I mean, you can do it if you want, but you don't need to because they have to both be true, okay? All right, let's look at question number 9. Okay,
And what are you doing with us?
I don't know. Number 9, 0, 0. That'll be an easy one. So they give you the point 0. Oops, what am I doing here?
Say everyone's an easy one.
Well, 0, 0. Don't get any easier than 0, 0. Okay. So we have y is less than or equal to x plus 7. So we plug in 0 for x and 0 for y. If I plug in 0 for y, 0 for x, 0 is less than or equal to 0 plus 7? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So is that the solution?
Yes.
The answer should be maybe.
No.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Now, if this was false,
Then
well,
it'd be no.
then it'd be no. It's got to be true for both of them. Okay, let's try. See what the other one is. Y is bigger than or equal to what? 2x plus 3. Okay, So we plug in 0 for y and 0 for x. Now, if you're wondering, where did 0, 0 come from? That's what they give us. They're giving you a point and saying, is this an answer? So 0 is bigger than or equal to 2 times 0 plus 3. 0 is bigger than 2 times 0 is 0.
No, it's gonna be no.
Is 0 bigger than 3?
No.
So why is the answer no?
Because both of them
Because they're not both.
They're not
right.
both true, okay? And if they're both no, then it's definitely no,
So
okay?
then the answer would be maybe.
No, if they're both no, it's definitely no. They gotta both be true. If neither one of them's true, it's definitely not. Okay? But it only takes one to screw things up. If they both do, then it really isn't an answer. Okay, number 11. Okay, they're asking us to identify the graph. We're just gonna graph it and then find it, okay? All right, so, number 11, we have y is bigger than negative 3. And we also have y is bigger than or equal to 5x. Okay, the first one, if you remember from the other day, first one's going to be an easier one because there's only one variable. If you remember there's only one variable, your line's either going to be vertical or horizontal. Okay, one of the two. Okay, this one's going to be diagonal because it has an x as well as a y. Okay, let's do the first one. Who can tell me you got exactly 2 words? I only want